The most important part concerning product research when dropshipping is knowing whether your product has a good market fit. This could be anything from whether you have competitors or whether there are untapped angles for you to sell in. Now, there's two ways you can go about it. One is finding out yourself by testing the product and seeing how well it fares, which eventually is going to cost you a lot of money and you may lose thousands of dollars on paid ads. And the second method is through using spy tools, which in the long run will actually save you a lot of time and money. And in this video I'm going to be revealing to all of you my preferred spy tools to use and exactly how I set them up in order to give me the exact data that I'm looking for. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for 1K. Let's hit 2K and let's get straight into the video. FutureLib. This is ShopHunter.io's new software, which is actually better than ShopHunter. So now that we're here on futurelib.shophunter.io, the first thing we want to do is to sort the stores by the creation date. So on the left you'll need to click on more filters and store creation date, and then from just put this to basically 3 months from today. So I would click on that and then change it to just 07 and then put this on today. Set range, and this shows us dropshipping stores that are currently getting results. We are not interested in looking at old stuff which used to work. We are ideally looking for products that just hit the market and have not yet been scaled too hard yet. Next, we want to set the store product count to 3 products or less. So just do from 1 to 3 and click set range. And the reasoning behind this is because stores with fewer products are often focused on selling specific items, making them prime suspects for dropshipping. Everyone knows that in 2024, one product stores are the wave and what is currently working. Now we want to know which stores are actually aggressively marketing the product. The third filter we apply is the active ad count filter, and we want that to be around 12. And as you can see, the stores just keep getting refreshed, and it literally shows you all of the winning ads right here, and you can download them straight away if you like. All in one platform, bro. What even is this? A towel. Look at that, bro. Literally anything works with dropshipping. A high number of ads tells us that that product is profitable and that the people selling it have now begun to scale it by testing different ads. Because look, nobody starts off their first creative testing campaign with 12 ads in it. I do 3, some people do 5. If somebody has 12 ads, that is not their first batch of creatives. Now, if you want to look for stores that are aggressively marketing their products, we also use this active ads tool. Let's say we wanted to see people who are going just absolutely ham. So let's put that minimum to 12 and the maximum to say 50. And now all of these are guys who are aggressively marketing, like let's say this sleep saving. That ad doesn't even impress me, but it looks like it's working for them. Let's see another one. Fitco.
Want to tone up without bulking up? Let me share my secret. The resistance bands provide just the
See, resistance bands. That shows you what's working, because resistance bands are an evergreen product. They will always be in fashion. And especially during a period like New Year's, when everybody is setting New Year's resolutions saying, oh, I want to start going to the gym, a product like that will print even more than usual. And the best part, it's evergreen, so you can just carry on that momentum the whole year up until the next New Year's. If you're targeting TikTok ads, then use a technology filter and scroll down to select the TikTok pixel option. This filter will help you find products that are being run on TikTok ads. So just scroll down under technology and select TikTok pixel. And now, these are the people with over 12 ads that created the store in the last 3 months and have 1 to 3 products and are running ads on TikTok. And it works the same way for any of these other platforms you see here: Reddit, Pinterest, Snap, Google Ads, Facebook. And this is exactly what you need, because knowing whether your competitor has started marketing on different sales channels is also an indicator of how much they have scaled. Because if somebody is running on Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Reddit, Pinterest, just run away from the product, bro. It's not worth the competition. These guys have already secured that omni-channel. The best hope you have is selling that product in another country with a different angle. And another country where they do not speak English, so something like Germany, Sweden, which you can also select here on FutureLib to see if people are already running those products in that country. Now you only have a few limited options here, just 5 of them, but let's look at France. As you can see, these Fitco guys are still going crazy in France. That tells you that they're printing, and I was right, because that is an evergreen product. How about Germany? See, they ain't running in Germany, but these Salvia guys are. Now you could go and sell those resistance bands in Germany, assuming they aren't one of the most popular things ever, and this was something new to market. That would have been a free winning product that you got simply by watching this video. So please subscribe if this video is helping you out. You can also select the display format here. There's video, image, carousel, multi-images, dynamic, creative. You mostly want to put this on video because all dropshippers run video ads. That's like the most basic step. And as you can see, that means there's no dropshippers in Germany that match all these other criteria, but there are some in the UK. Call to action should usually be shop now. All dropshippers use that. Ad publisher platform. This is just for guys who are running Facebook ads, I'm assuming. If you just want to really niche down, because if you select Facebook pixel, it's gonna show you all 4 of these combined, because they all use the Facebook pixel. As when you're running Facebook ads, it shows on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. I'm not too sure what audience network is. Under that you have language, same thing, you'll use that when you're checking if people are running in your target country. Use code FutureLib at checkout to get $25 off your first month on FutureLib. And the link to FutureLib will be the first link pinned in the description down below and the pinned comment. The second spy tool I use is shophunter.io, of course. ShopHunter shows you product variants, revenue data, and a lot more, giving you a clear picture of exactly what is working in the market and to the dollar amount. My favorite part is a Shopify store tracking feature. Plus you can find top advertised products and stores which are actual dropshipping products from successful businesses. Additionally, you can use the Facebook ad spy and use it to explain that if the competitor is running more ads and they're clearly profitable, adding to the validity of that product. So if you see a brand running few ads and it looks promisable on FutureLib, then copy the URL link to their store and put it in the store hunter on shophunter.io. Now let's do exactly that. So let's have a look at these guys, Everstride, and they look to be selling these compression socks. So just scroll up and click view page. That's gonna open up. And just here we can already see some pretty important data about the product, such as the amount of active ads they do have, which is 33. We can also see their Facebook followers, which really doesn't mean anything. And down here you can see a graph which tells us that between the 3rd of September and the 10th of October, they started scaling, as went from 21 ads. Well, actually this was their first scale because they increased by 10 ads in like 2 days. And then this was the second one where they went from 22 ads to 35 ads. And then I'm assuming now they cut the underperforming ones, as went from 35 ads to 33 ads. Now if you couldn't get that data just by looking at this graph, then don't worry, you learn. Data analysis is one of the most important skills you need to learn when you're dropshipping. And if you don't know it, you'll never know how to run ads or do competitor research just like this. Now from here, let's scroll up and the URL will be right here, everstridesocks.com. So let's actually have a look at their website first. Alright, the original compression socks for women. I've actually sold a similar product to this before, but it was for winter and it was fleece lined leggings that had fleece inside in order to keep the legs warm, and it really didn't do as well as I thought it would. Come back to Shop Hunter, click on Explore. It's gonna be on search products, so click search shops, click add a shop by URL, paste in the URL, click add shop, and just like that you'll be able to see all the data. Now it looks like these guys haven't gotten any sales yet today. Let's put for the month, and as you can see they made $2,000 this month, and this is a 46% decrease from what they made in the last 30-day period. 101 orders this month, AOV of $25. 17 SKUs. This means that they have 17 different variants on their store. You can also see the theme they're using, which is impact. There's 0 other Shop Hunter users tracking this store. I mean, they are the first ones to it. Just by watching Net to Paid, you're ahead of the competition. Imagine that. We can also see the top performing variants. So I'll select month, and looks like most of them were deleted, but this is just one of the highest performing ones then. Now let's actually look for a better brand that's making a bit more money. So I can give you the best example. So let's try looplasso.com. As you can see, this month they made $143,000, 5.5k orders, $26 AOV, 49 SKUs, and you can literally see the revenue graph here from when they were peaking to when they dipped a bit, and now it's looking like they're having the best period ever in the last 30 days, which was the past week. You can also see the top performing products here, exactly how much they cost, how much revenue each of these has generated, the rank as compared to the other products on the store in terms of how much revenue it has created. Now once you have all this sales data, you need to consider these 3 factors. The first one is, are the sales increasing over time? If yes, this is a green flag, which means that the ads are profitable and thus they spent more money on ads. Because the sales don't just increase by magic, they're scaling. They put more money in the ads and thus they got more money out of the ads. There is no magical factors involved in this dropshipping game. Everything is tactical. The second thing is you want to consider the daily revenue. You might find brands doing 10k a day with a product, and this means that they are monopolizing that product and they are too large to compete with. Thus, you just need to go back to the drawing board and find a new product. Because like for these Loop Lasso guys, let's see how much they did today. $5,000. That's not that much out of reach, but in this specific case scenario, this is their own custom product, not a dropshipping product. This is a brand with an original product that did not exist before the brand came about. So I wouldn't try to sell this unless you're looking for a lawsuit. The third thing is that you should use Shop Hunter as a validation tool. After you search for products using FutureLeap's exact filters. The combination of FutureLeap to find products and Shop Hunter to validate them will save you a lot of time and money in the product testing phase. A link to shophunter.io will also be in the description down below and the pinned comment as the second link. Now the third spy tool I use during product research is minea. Minea is a database of tens of millions of ads that allows you to research, analyze, source and export your products all on one platform. I have my own custom filter which I use to look for dropshipping products that have just arrived in the market and have not started being scaled yet, and this is how you set up that filter. So once you're on the minea homepage, click on ads, and I'm just gonna click on the filter so that you can see exactly what I did. So the first thing is that you want to select the e-commerce platform as Shopify, and that's right here. Next, you want the likes to be between 40 and as high as it goes. And now the date, you want it to be within the past 2 weeks. So first select today and then this date right here. So around the past 2 weeks. Apply. You want to make sure they're only running video ads, which is right here in media types, and the likes are down here. The call to action should be shop now or buy now, which you set over here on CTAs. Countries, you want to put the big 5, which are Canada, the UK, the US, New Zealand and Australia. And the last criteria you want to select is that it is dropshipping, because somehow minea has their own ways of knowing. And you just select that by clicking over here on the last option. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see all these products. And what it means is that these products have just started being run within the last 2 weeks and have minimum 400 likes, which means that the audience is resonating with it, because if your ad is getting likes, very good sign, bro. And show me a sign that I'm making a good video too by dropping a like down below. Now we can see there's an anxiety relief product here which looks like the guy from Disney. I wouldn't sell that unless you're looking not even for a lawsuit, for jail time. Let's see what else. A hoodie. The thing about this is, of course, not all these products will be good as they just started being ran. So you're not really sorting them by performance, but by vanity, because you want to be the first one selling it, because you can make any product work. All these products sell, which is why they're on AliExpress anyways, because there's somebody that's buying them. So it's your job to find an angle and a target audience that really resonates with it and that you can scale, because e-commerce is not about products, it's about offers and angles. Okay, so what's this? It looks like it protects your food. It's a warming pad and it's gonna be a saving grace. Okay, so it just basically warms your food like a mat. That's pretty cool, honestly. And you could sell that for like winter, because it's cold as hell and people don't want their food to get cold when they leave it out. Now, the best things in life aren't free, but to make it easier for you guys to find the best products, you can use my code NATE20 to get 20% off the starter and the premium plans. And the link to minea will be in the description below and the pinned comment, just as all the other links will be. Now, if you enjoyed this video and learned something important about product research, let me know in the comments down below. I'm glad that I was able to teach you something, and now go into the market and do this research yourself. Don't just acquire all this information and let it dissipate from your head. Apply it immediately, find products, get sales, because best believe I'm doing the exact same thing I just told you in this video. I want my free videos to be better than everybody else's paid videos, only giving out the best quality on this channel. Now, if you would like personalized one-on-one coaching, then DM me on Instagram at Nate2Paid and I will get back to you immediately. And until next time, my boys, stay hard, keep grinding, and never give up.